Follow the steps on how to create a minimalist background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. Here I use A4 size. First, press M and create a rectangle. Go to Object, Path and Path Offset. You can set it like this. Activate the rectangular grid tool and draw here. Delete it again and click anywhere to open options. I use settings like this. You can follow it. Set to center. Select and press X/X to hide the stroke. Press M and create a small rectangle here. Fill color. Copy. Select and press Ctrl-Alt-B to blend objects. Go to Blend Options and change the settings. Select the grid and press K for Live Paint Bucket. Hold Alt to pick color and pour it on the grid. Hold Alt again and pick the next color. Do the same thing until all the grids are filled. Delete this. Select and press Ctrl-2 to lock object. And you can insert the text. Finished. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.